Hey, what's up, man? I heard there was a campfire around here, bro. Y'all fucking doing a bit of partying around here? Got some fucking fine ass hottie over here. What's up with this, man? What's up with that, bro? Yeah, we've been working in the boat repair business for about 2 years now. It's a pretty steady gig. We just got a call this morning about a seat that's out of alignment. We're gonna go check it out. Got some beers. Makes the work go easier, you know what I mean? You know what? That's never gonna happen to anyone ever again. Fuck. Like somebody had a good time last night. What do we got here? Yep, old Seagram 7 gin. Typical. Probably how the seat got messed up.
Stick your feet out. No. Stick your feet out in front of you. Stick your feet out in front of you.
Sit down. You don't have to.
Oh, okay, so Matt can't pawn him off.
Yeah, he gets it. Are you a head? Oh, someone don't like
If you like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain.
Sit.
It's gonna fall.
No, it's not gonna fall. Sit down. Sit.
It's just gonna go like that.
No.
This is normally where most of the bodies of the lake wash up. Alright, so we made it to the boat now. We're going to go ahead and do a little bit of diagnostic work to make sure we know what the problem is. As you can see, it's a pretty nice boat. Now, the customers told us that they're having some issues with their driver's seat. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'd say that one's shot. You see this a lot on these pontoons. Yeah, waterlogged. Alright, so we're gonna need to get to work on this pretty quick before the boat capsizes and sinks. Yep. Oh shit! What do we need? Huh.
What the fuck?
As you can see here, there's a live well on this boat. If you want to do a little bit of fishing, there's your live well and your minnow bucket for your bait. Got an aerator pump and everything. Keep the fish alive till you can slaughter their asses. Maybe what we should do is just unbolt the good bolts here from the base of the seat, and then we can see about. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we got one loose now. Not really wanting to come out. Hey, we hand me that bear. Alright, we're taking a little video. How's everybody doing today? Yeah, how's everybody doing?
Yeah,
You just gotta stick your feet out in front of you.
Yeah, you can.
Sit down, stick your feet out forward.
You got it. Now just pick your feet up in there.
Straighten your legs out.
Is he sitting down?
I suck. It's nice just to fool around, isn't it?
It's not just a fooling around.
Not
get tied down.
That's a pretty decent guitar.
Not get tied down to one rhythm.
I waved him down. I think he
Just weird fingers.
Way to go, Frank. One vagina for the rest of your life. Real smart. Okay. Now the tools we're going to need for this job is your basic Allen wrench. Okay. This here is a Mexican made, like most of them. And your standard Stanley flathead screwdriver. I prefer Stanley, but you can use any brand you want. Do whatever in the fuck you want to do. Now, the first thing I'm going to attempt to do is to remove the fasteners. Okay, it's not working. You can see here, there's a little bit of...
There he goes.
One big strange root or something. You get a good shot of him?
Yep.
Alright, Now usually before starting on any kind of repair, I like to down about 3 of these bad boys. We're just gonna do one today. How's the wife and kids?
Well, my wife actually left me. Took the kids, but you know what? Blessing in disguise, really.
I'd like to call that 2 birds with 1 stone.
Yeah, or in my case, 3 birds.
Yes, sir.
She was pregnant.
Man.
Dog.
You got it. Hold on. There you go.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, that's a rip.
You know what? He fell off the tire. You know what he...
Rot. And yeah, we're gonna need to figure out a way to get that out of there. Let me go ahead and grab some pliers. Or some crimpers even. Wire cutters. Yeah, so as you can see here, got a lot of rot back here. I think if I hold this steady, I should be able to remove the fastener. Let's see what we got. Okay, yeah, no, that's not working. This situation really should have been addressed a long time ago. Me and the blue. Justin, now that your brother got cut in half, you're gonna have to be double great for the both of you.
Both up. I scared him when I said that. I was like, go phone, he just jumped.
The wrong kid died.
Dodged the bullet.
That's a good way to find yourself at the bottom of a set of stairs.
Yeah, or the bottom of this lake.
We're only kidding, of course. We don't condone prenatal murder. We do condone efficient and well done boat repairs, though, which is why you should give us a call the next time your seat isn't operational. Now, one of the things I'm noticing here on this bracket is that it says made in the USA. Can't help but feel like it should have lasted longer. But what can you do? Now we've almost got this removed. We'll see what we can't do to fix up this damn old cat. Okay. I found that having a backrest really just makes you.
I'm out looking for chanterelle mushrooms, delicacy of the Arkansas rainforest. Check this out. Can you see them? According to the Wikipedia article, they have a nutty, fruity taste. And we're gonna put them on some burgers or some steak.
Lazy.
It also kind of slows down the boat, aerodynamics and all.
Right, right.
That's why we've also removed the brakes.
Oh man, boats don't have brakes. At least this one does, because we removed it. Damn it. Fuck. Now, for some reason, this last fastener isn't wanting to come out. What the fuck? Keep on knocking, but you can't come in. Alright, so I'm genuinely confused now.
Here.
These are the same mushrooms, just brand new.
It's turning, but it's not going anywhere.
You need this Allen wrench. You want this Allen wrench?
God damn it. We've come a long way on this project, but we've hit a standstill on account of fucking fasteners won't come out like they're supposed to, like they're designed to.
Just rip that sumbitch off there.
God damn it, dude.
This is our total haul of the chanterelle mushrooms. I'm getting ready to cut them all up and clean them. And then we're gonna saute the ones we're gonna use and store the rest.
That's the only choice I got.
So we got another party barge coming in. They're probably gonna come ask us for some help repairing their vessel. We'll have to turn them back because we are busy till January.
Yeah, we stay pretty hooked up. We've got appointments 3 years out. They may not even own the boat in 3 years, but they like our work, so they wanted to go ahead and schedule an appointment.
And regardless of who owns the boat at the time, we will be showing up.
Oftentimes we have to break into impound yards or private properties. But that's the level of commitment that we have to our job. Boat repair ain't no fucking joke. It's like, see you get out on a boat and have it in disrepair. Maybe the last thing you ever do.
This probably isn't safe, really. This back seat not being fixed. This boat ain't leaving the dock. Yeah.
Yeah, torque converter on this fucking backrest here is totally shot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We're lucky we're still afloat right now.
My question is, what kind of dumbass fastening devices are these? Yeah, you can take a look here. It's not like anything I've ever really seen. Oh God. I'm not sure what to do about that. If I got a pair of pliers in here. Yeah, here's a pair of pliers. Alright, we got the pliers now. We're gonna check to see if we can get this on here. Wow, I can already tell this is gonna be complete trash.
Looks like you got a good grip on her. There she goes.
Yes. Alright. Cooking with fucking grease now. When we're done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray this whole boat down with Pam.